Right, so what if you were able to drive more calls to your business via SEO? And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it, and also a case study that went and that took this business from 1 call a month, which is nothing, to 9 calls a month, with just 18 days. And the latest update, they're at 13 calls every single month. And I'm going to go over exactly what they're doing, how they're doing it, and why they are doing it. So if you want to learn this and learn how you can do it, stick around. If you don't want to do it yourself, because it's going to be quite a long video and just want to hire someone to do it yourself, at the end of the video, I'm going to link out to a service here on Vet from Yash right here that does it for you. And he's been seeing a lot of great results. Actually, this result right here is from an order on here, but we'll leave that later on. Let's just focus on the results, how they're doing it and what they're doing. So let me just put my face down here. Again, results. 1 call a month, from 1 call a month to his Google My Business. That's a Google My Business. This is this, right? When you search on maps for, Dentist Dallas or like so, you want people to call your business, right? This is the holy grail of local SEO. You want people to search for local businesses and yours to show up on top and people to call it so you can make more money, right? Pretty straightforward. Now, like I said, as you can see, just in 18 days, the calls went up and they're at 13 calls a day, right? It's going up. We just 20 days of work, right? Super valuable this. Now, what exactly are they doing? They're doing all of this. I'm going to cover this step by step. So again, you understand. I'm just going to explain how you do it. I'm going to explain the why, right? And then the how. So if you want to implement them yourself, you can. So let's start with a pretty straightforward one, which is GMB. So GMB stands for Google My Business Audit and Suggestions, right? This seems a bit broad, but auditing a GMB, right? Auditing a listing, one of these listings, is very important, right? Perform an audit of your Google My Business and provide suggestions for optimization, right? And this, again, seems broad, but by auditing a business, and I'll leave a video in the description for how I audit businesses like this. I think it's a 30-minute video, and I'll go deep into how I audit business. You have to look at what the competition is doing. Let's say this one in yellow is your listing. An audit is not just going over what you're doing. It's looking at what the competition is doing, seeing what's working for them, and then trying to replicate onto yours. So a GMB audit with suggestions, whether that is maybe tweaking the business name, tweaking a bit the business description, adding a bit more review, all that. So it's a broad statement of what you can work on the listing, right? Again, super broad, but it is the very first thing you should do. And again, I'll leave a video in the description for how I personally do it. I'm unsure how Yash does it, but I'll leave a link in the description for how I do it. And it's, again, a long video, but has a lot of suggestions. Then, map embeds that actually move the needle. Embed maps from relevant, big keyword here, websites to improve local SEO, and then also submit it for indexing. So what does this actually mean? Essentially, let's say we have a bunch of blogs, right? A bunch of sites right here that are both ideally, right? Powerful plus relevant, because the ideal backlink comes from a powerful domain and a relevant domain. And all these blogs are relevant. The articles on here are relevant to both your niche, let's do dentists, and location, let's do Dallas, for example. And then they have a map embed. So when you go to your GMB listings, you can click somewhere around here and share, and you get this little code to embed your map, right? I'm sure you know about this, in a blog, right? So what it goes out and does is essentially link building to your, let's say this is your map listing. All of these link out to your map listings, right? From niche relevant and powerful domains, right? That's the next step he does, okay? Super interesting, and it works. Again, I'm not just saying this just because you can clearly see that it works. If you go out and just do one of these things, like this one or this one, it most likely won't work, because SEO is all about doing all these little things that by themselves might seem that they don't do much, but when you add them all up, you see results like these ones and these ones in such a short amount of time, right? And I'm unsure what the niche is right here, but you can imagine that going from 1 call to 9 calls a month, even if 50% of people don't convert, or even if just 5 or 6, I guess that's 50%, let's say 50% convert, I'm unsure of the niche, but most likely they're able to convert them, which means more money in their bank account at the end of the day. So that's why this is important. Now, moving on, what's next? Citation auditing. So identifying existing citations you have and analyzing the competitor citations. So citations are links, for example, from Yelp, Foursquare. This is essentially a business directory. So your listing is here, and we're linking out from Yelp to it, from Foursquare, right? From, I guess, Apple Maps as well. All of these, Hot Frog, all these are linking to your GMB listing. And all this, I have a video solely on this, and this is a bit more of an in-depth subject, are properly optimized. Business name, business description, business hours, all your socials linked. And again, these socials should link to your website, right? Let's do the main website here. And the main website, of course, should have a map embed at the bottom or linking again somewhere to Yelp. So this works like a flywheel, but this is a bit more technical thing. Again, I have a video solely on this, which I'll link in the description if I remember. If not, please comment. But just this whole thing, which might seem simple, the citation building, is not that simple, right? There's some intricacies to it, but again, I won't dive too deep into this, but it's important that you know about that. And of course, citation building, right? Create citations on relevant directories based on competitor analysis. Again, looking at what the competition is doing, replicating what they're doing, and then doing some more on top. Because the reality is, if you're doing exactly what the competition is doing, plus some more, plus you're going the extra mile, there's no reason why you shouldn't be on top. Of course, there's a bunch of other factors that come into place, but this is a good advantage point doing what they're doing plus some more, right? So that's citations, right? Super important. Then geotagging images. So essentially optimizing images with geotags to improve local search rankings. What does geotagging mean? Essentially, when you take a picture with your camera, with your phone, there's some EXIF data that's put on the photo, the GPS coordinates, right? And a bunch of other things where you can optimize it and change it to make it seem so the photo was taken on a specific location, right? So appending geographic coordinates to media based on the location of a mobile device. Geotags can be applied to photos, videos, websites, text messages, and QR codes, and it also could include timestamps on other contextual information, right? So what some people do is they change the geotags, and then on other information, for example, like the camera name or camera model, you just change it to your exact match keyword. That's a bit more of a black hat SEO technique, but it does work, right? Geo-optimizing images, whether that's before you upload them to your, geotagging images before you upload them to your GMB listing, right? Because you can upload images to your GMB listing, whether that's location images, internal images, all that, you can upload them there, but I'm sure you know about all that. Then, guest posts or niche edits, publishing high quality guest posts on authoritative sources to build backlinks, right? Link building is very important, and SEO is not just about link building or just about on-page or just about technical SEO, it's about doing a holistic strategy, right? So link building on domains like this, for example, that are both relevant and powerful, directly linking out to your GMB listing. And you can elaborate more, right? If this is your GMB listing, and let's say, let's do citations. You can also link to the citations, right? Because then the citations will have links to your site, which will have links to your GMB, or even here has a link to GMB. So all this is somewhat interlinked, right? I'm going to dive too deep into this because it gets a bit confusing, but hopefully you get what I'm saying. You don't just need to link out here. You can link to multiple different sources because ideally they're all interconnected, right? Then, big one here, very important, GMB or GMP posts, provides him with unique numerous GMB posts that can be directly posted without any editing. So that's something that he does on this service. Essentially what he's doing is giving you a post that you can post on your GMB. So as you know, the GMB listings work, and you got to think of these as a living entity, right? A GMB listing or Google My Business listing is a living entity. These are businesses, right? And Google will prioritize the ones that are more alive, right? The ones that are getting more reviews, the ones that are putting out more photos, the ones that are putting out more Q&As, the ones that are putting out more posts, right? Because on the GMB listings, you can put out posts with offers, with updates, business updates. You got to think about this as a living entity, right? Google will value more living entities and will rank them higher. Again, not just because of this little factor. Like I said, it's a whole conglomerate of factors, but this one has a positive impact. Just like all these have on their own positive impacts, but they only work when they're all together. So this is to say that if Google sees that you're posting every single day, every single week, or at least more than a competition on your GMB, getting reviews, getting all that, he will push you higher because he sees, listen, this GMB listing is or belongs to an active business. We know they're active, we know they're getting reviews, they're posting, they're doing all this. Let's push it out more because people seem to like this business. These businesses seem to be engaging with people. So let's push it out more. Let's put it up higher, right? And again, I'm not just saying this just because this works, right? We have the proof here, and there's a bunch more. But this works, right? GMB postings on several times a week. Then pages of interest. So creating additional pages on the site, targeting nearby famous places to improve proximity and grid area, right? Because SEO, and now more than ever, is all about location and relevance. So it's all about relevancy, both in terms of location, because if you're searching for a dentist and let's say I'm in Dallas right now and I'm searching for a dentist, there's no way a listing that in New York City is going to pop up, right? So only the ones in Dallas. So SEO is all about relevancy, both location and niche relevancy. So big one here, big one. Then second last one, entity optimized reviews. That's thick. So essentially posting reviews on the GMB listings. You can buy reviews. You can ask them for your customers. Either way, whether how you get them paid or organically, you need reviews. Again, think of this as a living entity, right? It is your baby. If you keep on feeding it with reviews, Google sees, oh, okay, people are enjoying this business. They're liking the business story. Let's put it up higher. And finally, real driving directions. Essentially, this is, I don't think I have it here, but essentially a custom map that, let's see if he has it here for custom driving directions. He does not. But either way, it's a custom map. He does it custom. This is an exclusive and advanced service that you won't get anywhere else, I promise. Yeah, that's what it takes to rank a business or to get more calls for your GMB listing, right? And you can do all this. And again, I'll leave links in the description for this one first right here, which goes over how I personally audit the GMB and every single thing I check before I move on to all these next steps. And again, this seems a bit boring and cliche doing audits, all that. And sometimes people think of audits as something that's not really necessary. It is. Trust me, it is necessary. I'll leave a link for this in the description. So all of this works. And again, you have the proof here, and I do it myself as well. So you can do it for yourself. Hopefully this video was insightful enough so you can go out there and do it for yourself. If not, if you have any clients, you want to just pass on the work to someone else, I recommend you grab this service. He already has 4 orders. I think there's two more, on the way. One repeat buyer, and I mean, the reason why there's repeat buyers, the reason why there's positive reviews here and positive results like this one is because it works, right? People wouldn't be coming again and again if this didn't work. And hopefully this video convinced you to either try it out yourself, because that's something I'll always incentivize, or just go out and have someone do it for you. And Yash is your guy. I'll leave his link in the description as well if you're interested, or you can just message him if you need any help. So let's say, for example, you're not yet ready to commit to a service, just message him, ask him, hey, listen, man, I have this business. Do you think your service is good for me? I'm getting X calls a month. I need a bit more. Yeah, just talk to him. I mean, he's open to stuff. You can connect with him with his socials as well. So yeah, that's the video. Hopefully, again, this was valuable enough for you to get it to try it yourself, or to have him do it for you. Or even if, say, for example, you don't want him to do it for you, you have a friend, just go here, share the link, and you get 20% if your friend buys his services. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.